Hi there. SUI is down by about 2% this week. However, it's range bound at a very narrow range between the blue key level of 0.88 and the purple key level of 0.99. Let's take a look at it through the Wyckoff lens and see what the waves are doing. And if you're new to my session, I'll cover the Wyckoff stage, potential price trend change, as well as key price levels. These are education content only, not financial advice. The weekly chart is showing us the price seems to be trying to build a near-term bottom, very close to the 0.99 purple key level, like I said from the very beginning. It has been range-bound pretty much for 3 weeks already, especially past week and this week. The volume has come down significantly. Again, it means that there's no big whale movement. It's only the bulls and bears pulling, trying to pull the price to either side, but without much success. They're pretty much equal strength. Okay, so the test for paper hands and diamond hands seems to be stabilizing at this point. It's still at the early stage of the accumulation cycles, all these orange tags, okay? There still can be quite a bunch of tests coming in. But, irrespective, because nobody would know how many tests would the whales want to do. What we need to know, what we need to see is something we call a sign of strength, meaning price continues to climb with higher than average volume, challenging these blue key levels, 1.82 to 1.93. Reason is being that was where the automatic rally was, okay? We want to see sustained price climb with higher than average volume, challenging this level as the first positive sign. Doesn't equate to the thing that it will shoot to the moon from that point. Sometimes it will come with deeper price retracement, sometimes just more or less level before it shoots up. Okay, look at what happened over here. Retrace quickly and then started to climb. Sometimes it can go really deep for those retracements. So you have to understand your risk appetite. All right. In terms of the daily, we talked about potential price trend change coming in. The window between 12th and 15th, and it came on the 14th, all right, and sustained for the next almost entire week. So it's pretty safe to say that the downtrend that started in the beginning of January is now taking a pause. Okay, it's turning at least to a sideways trend between the blue key level all the way to 1.08, the red key level. So it shouldn't surprise you if it range bound for the next week or so before the new economic data comes in March. All right. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days early, join the channel membership now. Here's another analysis for you. Thank you.